Fudge got him going.
Classic. Oh, Fudge got him going.
269 classic cars. Come take a ride with us, we got it all. Hot rods to muscle cars. A ton of dream cruise class. I like that 66 no, but that C8 to go the fast. Chevelle on 4G auto rims. 101 whips, these ain't average. 269 classic cars. 269 classic cars.
Okay guys, here we go again. Back down here at Executive Motorsports. And I'm gonna show you what we got going on. We putting some Qa1s, coilover. Check it out. We done painted and cleaned up everything up underneath the vehicle. There go the man I need to see. Hey, excuse me, sir.
What's up?
Can you come in for tell me everything we got done to this? So we did Qa1s, coilovers, cleaned it up.
Steve knows the whole down.
Right. Qa1s, coilovers, and we cleaned up under here. What else we got going on? I'm gonna show you guys up under here. See how clean it is. Steve busy, so I'm gonna do my best to let you guys see what we doing. Of course, we got the wheel woods. Oh, and then we got the rear end over here. We shorten the rear end up so we can put them bigger lips on the rims. There we go. And we also got the Qa1s and coilovers on the rear. Ooh, look at that. Look at that, look at that. Ooh, that's gonna be nice. Yes, sir. All right, now I'm gonna show you guys. Ooh, I like that. Yes, sir, I like that. Let me show you the new lip. What they call lip? The barrels. I always say lips, the barrels. We got new barrels on the back. Same difference, same thing. We got new barrels we put on here. And if anybody want to buy some barrels, my old barrels, they are for sale. Get with me, let me know. So there go the new barrels. That is a 7, maybe 7.5 on the rear now. That's what that's gonna be. Look at that. It ain't really coming out good on here, but yeah, that's it. You know, here you go. The old barrels. See, these the old barrels right here, and they like new. Yeah, these the ones I took off. Yeah, these was the ones that come with these like 5, maybe 5.5. Then so we took these off and put these on, the 7s. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We're gonna put them on. But yeah, we loving the way it's coming together. Stay tuned. When it's done, I'm gonna let you guys check it out, see what it's looking like. Should be done in about another week. But there it go. There go Orange Crush coming together. Yes, sir. Looking good. Got it, see, my man got it all wrapped up. Don't want no scratches, no scrapes, no dust. Yes, sir. And we redoing the rear end, putting all new parts in the rear end. All right, let's see what you got. So you cleaned these up?
Yeah.
Okay.
So the spindles back here, you could tell they had replaced them when they did your brakes, but they left them raw. They didn't put any paint on them, so they were rusting. And then where there wasn't rust, there was just a bunch of road grind buildup and grease and nasty stuff.
Yeah.
You know, you got brand new steering linkage, brand new control arms, and then you got that. like you can't just
Right.
You know what I mean?
And that looked bad.
Oh, it would have been an eyesore. Like that's the
Okay.
first thing your eye is gonna go to when you look under the car.
Mm-hmm.
You clean your steering box
Well,
up.
I didn't see that up there. Oh, look, those Qa1s way up there in the sky. Okay.
And we cleaned your steering box up and threw a coat of paint on that as well. This was all greasy and nasty.
Yeah.
You know, so that way if someone peeks their head under at a car show or something, everything
Looks good up
Looks
under
good.
there. Right.
so
I don't get no haters. I'm gonna get the haters regardless.
they hate on this, bro. They
That's
really
just how
are
people.
hate.
Man, do you know I never won at a car show ever?
Are you serious?
Never ever won at a car show, man. Never. But
Man, this thing's gorgeous, bro. It
It's-
really is. Like when
it's politics, man. Car
Probably in
shows.
Kalamazoo.
It came to politics
You need
now,
to get
man.
outside of Kalamazoo.
I need to leave it right. It
You
came.
got a nice car, bro. Like,
Thanks, man. Appreciate it.
This thing got a lot of compliments when it was before we put it in the air.
Uh-huh.
When it was just parts.
Part, yeah.
Everybody that could come in, man, whose is this?
Who? That's that guy in
That's everybody-
Kalamazoo.
The first thing everybody says, whose is this? I don't know. It's a
Right, it's a
Like,
customer.
You won't give you a name like you're gonna know who it is.
Right. Who car is that? That guy right there know who car it is. Yep. So yeah, I like it, man. I like how he painted. I'm sorry that you guys had to come across so many problems
Yeah, it is what it is.
to paint it, but it is what it is. Yep.
It's not. The car was. It wasn't that the car was rusty and nasty underneath. It's
Uh-huh.
that It looked like it had been undercoated about 12.
Yeah, he just put a lot of undercoat on it.
God, bro, the buildup was insane.
And I bought it from an older guy. He done passed away, but did I tell you this car used to be yellow?
Uh-uh.
Yeah, it used to be yellow. Mm-hmm. It was an older guy. How my gas? I don't need a new gas tank. That's good.
Yeah.
All right.
That's been replaced at some point.
Okay. Yeah. Well, I see it's coming. It's clean up under here now.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, I can't wait to see the exhaust.
New crossbar. This is something that we make. That this is we bend this up custom. The reason we do that is because your rear differential, when you set the car down, it sits up in this pocket.
Yep.
If you run this bar straight across, the upper trailing arms hit this bar. So when you're going down the road,
It's smacking it.
so we stand and create that pocket to get that clearance. So the car still rides really nice. It sits low to the ground.
Okay.
You don't have any
What we got
interference
going
in
on
there.
here? What's this shit?
You see your upper trailing arms?
Okay.
These ones sit up on the top of the rear end like this.
Okay. Hey, how my truck tires?
That's another thing. And I didn't even charge you for these.
Oh shit.
Putting new bushings in.
Oh, the bushings?
Yeah.
Okay.
They came this morning. I got them sitting over there. So we're knocking these out. We're gonna put new ones in.
Okay.
You know, it's the little stuff. Like we ain't gonna go this far with the build.
Now you
and
hear
then
that, guys?
cut
That's why you
corner.
need to come see Executive Motors. See how they take care of you? They take care of you. How you right. You won't be botched up or
Yeah, all
nothing.
your new brake lines been up.
New brake lines. Okay. So it should be ready, and I come pick it up. What? April?
No. Oh.
when you hear what I said? I said I come pick it up in April. We ain't in no rush to get it.
It'll be ready next.
No, I want to get it before that because I want to drop my truck off
Yeah. No, it'll be ready next week.
next week. All right, guys, we get back with you guys in about next week, and we'll see what it's looking like with them. See them big old truck tires? Whatever. We go.
269 classic cars. 269 classic cars.